A prefix is a group of letters that is added to the beginning of a word. This makes a new word. The prefix un changes words so they mean the opposite. A suffix is a group of letters that is added to the end of a word. Some suffixes are added to words to make nouns. The most common are ment and ness. Some words that end in y change the y into I before adding the suffix. Some suffixes are added to words to make adjectives. The most common are less and full. The suffix less means to be without something. The suffix full means to be full of something. The suffix ly can be added to words to make adverbs. Some words ending in y need to change the y into I before adding the suffix ly.